Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A6 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings and from there scroll down to Device Care. So right here, tap on your storage icon. So right over here, and you'll see the SD card. Let's actually go back. So just tap on the three dots, Storage Settings, then tap on the SD card and you'll have the option to format. To start, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card. If there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you have done that or you don't care, tap on Format SD card. The process will begin and it's a fairly quick one. Once it's finished, the card is ready to be used once more and it should be just about done. And there we go. Click on that and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.